So here's the third and a half day of snow. It's still snowing, still windy, so you may not hear me very well. I got out and dug out a little path here. And it's warmed up, so now the snow is like snowman snow, so it's going to be even harder to lift and move. Anyway, I might just go to the garage and I might just turn around and come back in the house. Anyway, we'll do a little walk around here and we'll see what's what. So look at the snow, holy cats. My son said to me here last night that White Swan came through here years ago, and it was 20 years, he said. And at that time, if you can see these two light posts, the snow was up to the bottom of the glass on the posts. That's how much snow we got that time. So we're halfway there. Holy cats of snow. Anyhow, we'll take a little walk around here. I don't know how far I'm going to get. Pretty well all filled in where I cleaned yesterday, but you can see the edge here a little bit. Quite a bit down there behind my truck. Truck is a 4-wheel drive, and I don't know if it would even come out of there. Now we'll go out to the end of the driveway, and you can see it's kind of not the same for you people with the camera, but you can't see quite as easily as I can here. But holy cats, he's filled in the end of the driveway pretty good. Just made a track for people to get through. You can hear a snowblower going. Yeah, it's nasty. How far I'm going to get here? As far as I'm going to go. Yeah, this plowed in part here is probably 2.5 feet deep, so that's going to be nasty to get through. Alright, well, we'll go back the other way. Switch hands here, cold on the fingers. Yeah, I'll try and find the least deepest places to go here. Yes, sir, she's filled up. Well, the problem is I get out with a snowblower because my snowblowers don't throw it that far. Where do you put it? Blowing the stuff 2 or 3 times before you get it actually out of the way. There's the garbage can, so snowed in. I kind of get a kick out of design on the snow coming off the roof there. Yeah, well, look at that up there. Holy cow. I had this all cleared out yesterday. 18 hours ago, this was all cleared out. Now, let's see if I can get across here. That's not so bad. Right there, I got a thin spot. But yeah, look, all my propane tank, all that I cleared out yesterday is all filled in again. Down here beside the truck, it's not quite so deep. That's about the only bare spot on the whole property. Yeah, all filled in again there. Look at that. Where those pipes were, I had all that cleared out. And over by the propane tank. And here it's all cleared out, but there's no need for it to be cleared out. Oh dear me. Oh, it's going to be a long week. Let's have a look over here. All kinds of snow. There's a propane tank at the back of the end of the building on this side, but you can't see now. Okay, I'm going to go in the garage, and I don't know what I'm going to do. It's still too nasty to be out here, cab or no cab. It's supposed to stay like this most of the day, I think. Like I say, it's not as much snow today, but the wind is going to be up, I guess. So let's see if I can get into the garage, find the key. There now. A little bit of snow down here. Oh boy. Anyway, I guess I would say it's bad enough here, but I know there's probably places that are a lot worse. And I'm thinking wherever Kenny at Open Air Adventure works at in Cape Breton there, I would say that they, from what I heard, they were snowed in and state of emergency apparently now. So I have to consider myself lucky, I guess. Good morning, tractors. There now. So that's that. I'm going to cut this off at that point, I guess, and there's not much sense in me doing a weather report, so you pretty well get the idea of what's going on. That's it for today. That is going to be a week-long job trying to get it cleared out. All right. Might have a snow-blown video later today, and I might not. That's just hard to say. I might wait till tomorrow. So have a good day wherever yous are at and whatever yous are doing. And stay safe and stay warm and stay inside as far as I'm concerned if you're in the maritime area. Goodbye.